Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted this file and actually made a little video on how he made it. I complimented him, he complimented me, saying he learned a lot from me. And I started playing around with the way he did it. And it's pretty cool the way he did it. I'm going to change it up a little bit. I have asked for permission to kind of like copy his idea. This is pretty easy. Take an ellipse tool, make it any size circle. We're going to go with 10 inches. I've got my ratio locked, so it's an equal 10. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to move this design out of the way. And actually mess the other one up. So let's back up, grab just the design, and go here. Now, it's 10 inches. We're going to open up Windows, Dockers, Transformer, Transformation. We're going to set this on 5 inch, because that's half, and 0, and make 9 copies. Now, Control G and group it together, Control D and duplicate it, and we want to move this right here to that where that says quadrant. Now, let me back up here. Let's put this in the center of the page. Look at my numbers. My page is 28 by 14, or 28 by 40. So we're in the center of the page at 20 and 14 in the center. So we're going to change now this, the difference between 20 and 17 and a half is 2.5. The distance between 14, well, let's just do this. I just got through doing it, so I'll know the number. Control D, let's move this up here. Now we've got a negative 9.67. So we're going to go, the difference is 4.33. As soon as we hit enter, look at that. It made all these flower shapes for us. We're going to group it together. If you didn't understand that, I moved it the amount it needed to move to go to an angle degree. I'm going to Control G. I'm going to hit P. Now, if you look, because it's lopsided a little bit, it's not in the center of the page. So take a little ellipse. Doesn't matter what size. I'm going to make it black, and I'm going to make it thicker. I don't need to make the inside black. I'm going to make it thicker so you might be able to see it on the screen. Let's go a little thicker than that. And then I'm going to hit P. If you look, it's not in the center of one of those stars or one of those flowers because we're at an angle. So let's move it off and then come back and put it right there on that intersection. Now, if you look, all our flowers on the edges are the same. We're in the center. And it's a lot easier at this point to be a hairline because we need to be exactly in the center. Now what we can do is grab all this and go to the intersect tool, and we've made that all right there that quick. Now there's a lot you could do with this, and I'm going to show you. We could take this, and if you're going to engrave it, you need to make it black. It doesn't really matter, but we need to make it something other than a hairline. That would engrave, and it's a pretty cool entity. I might make a second one later on how you could fill in some of these like this and make it so much easier. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.